Alright guys, I'm walking way back in the woods and try my luck on a little mountain stream here in south central Pennsylvania. It's supposed to be wild brooks and wild brown trout in here. It's awfully small. I got a little Zebco 5'6" ultralight with the Zebco 33 micro, little Panther Martin spinner, 4-pound mono filament. It's a nice bridge. I think this is the last day of deer season. Rifle, so I do have orange hat on. There's no vehicles way up here though. There was a couple down below. Let's try this little hole. Hit a rock. Oh yeah, look at that. Come on, buddy. Oh yeah, nice little brown. Holy moly, let's get him in the water. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this pretty fish. If I can get him out. Oh, buddy. Look at that beautiful wild brown trout, guys. That is awesome. Man, he's probably 9 inches. Ah, beautiful fish. Beautiful. That is awesome. See you, bud. Awesome. Ooh, I'm shaking. That was cool. And the water's cold. Oh, let's catch some more. Well, I don't know, but we're gonna try it. That was a crappy cast. I'm gonna try this hole again real quick because I don't have a lot of time, and there's another stream that I want to check out today too. So, cast or two in here, then we're gonna go to the other place. Oh, geez. All right, guys. Well, we checked out this little mountain stream. Caught one in that first hole, like a 9-inch brown trout, wild. That's awesome, man. You guys got to see me catch my first wild or native, whatever you want to call it, trout. And then I had another one swipe at it in another hole. So I kind of like this place. We're gonna go try another one a couple miles away. All right, well, Hopefully I'm not spooking anything up here, but I probably am. Let's give it a shot though. Alright guys, I'm headed home now, but hey, at least I didn't get skunked. I caught one about 9-inch wild brown trout, which was awesome. My first brown trout ever. So you guys got to see, or first wild brown trout ever. So you guys got to see that, and had another one follow. Didn't catch nothing at the other stream, but didn't fish very long because I have some things I got to take care of tonight, so I'm headed home. But I'm definitely coming back. I like this place a lot. Alright, thanks for watching.